The Small Business Development Center Network is a program that provides one-on-one business consulting services and training. We're here to help our entrepreneurs make better business decisions. We have a lot of great resources to help them do market and industry research, provided at no cost.
We'll give you a private consultant that will meet with you on a one-to-one basis, confidentially, no cost, and that goal is for us to meet your objectives.
SBDCs are a resource to help you learn about the skills that you're going to need to be successful in business. And we're here at all stages of your journey in business. Entrepreneurs who are just starting up, as well as owners of small businesses who have been in business for years, can count on SBDCs as a source of trusted advice and information.